Good morning, students. So already we have completed theoretical section in the last session. So we have discussed regarding the list of formulae also, isn't it? Yes. Let me come across NCERT problems. So almost all the NCERT problems should be solved. So earlier also moving charges and magnetism also we have completed almost all the NCERT problems. In addition with certain additional problems also we have done in that moving charges and magnetism problem session. So let me come across magnetism and matters problem session, NCERT problems. Let me come across first problem. A short bar magnet placed with its axis at 30 degree with a uniform external magnetic field of 0.25 Tesla experiences a torque of magnitude equal to 4.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 joule. What is the magnitude of magnetic moment of the magnet? Now this is our problem. देख लो एक बार. What the problem tells? A short bar magnet placed with its axis at 30 degree with a uniform external magnetic field of 0.25 Tesla experiences a torque of magnitude equals to 4.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 minus 2 10 to the power of minus 2 joules. What is the magnitude of the magnetic moment of the magnet? Now he has given the torque experienced by the magnet. By using that one, we go for solution. आधा solution उधर ही है. Solution. Given लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. We know that torque tau equals to mb sin theta. I need magnetic dipole moment. M equals to tau by b sin theta. Substitute the values. What is torque experienced? 4.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2. What is magnetic field? 0.225 into sine 30. Shall I write? Sine 30 degree. M equals to 45 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Shall I write? Is it 25 into 10 to the power of minus 2? Sine 30. 1 by 2. Is it clear? Yes. Shall I write 45 into 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by 25? Is it 90 by 25 into 10 to the power of minus 3? Yes? Then I don't want to use calculator. Shall I write 90 by 25 multiply by 4 divided by 4 into 10 to the power of minus 3? So M equals to 360 divided by 100 into 10 to the power of minus 3. One get cancels. Right? Is it 3.6 into 10 to the power of minus 3? Check it. एक बार चेक कर लो. -2. I have written minus 3 now. -2. इधर -2 बनाओ. right? minus 2, right? सही है, -2, right? (3.6 into 10 to the power -2), that is जूल पर टेस्ला. देख लो एक बार, 0.25, 25 into 10 to the power -2, यहाँ पे छोड़ दिए सो है. These two are get cancels, यहाँ पे कैंसिल हो जाते हैं, ये लिखने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, राइट? इज इट क्लियर? देख लो, -2 कैंसिल हो जाते हो, ये लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं यहाँ पे. लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सही है. 4.5 into 10 to the power of 4.5 कर लो इसे. 4.5 into 2, इसको 9 कर लो, राइट? 4.5 into 2, 9. इज इट क्लियर? कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. कैलकुलेटर का अवॉइड करें. 36 by 100. सही है. 0.36 जूल पर टेस्ला. दिस इज आवर आंसर. एक बार पूरा देख लो. सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हो तो नीटली करो. टॉर्क 4.5 into 10 to the power -2, b 0.25 sin 30 degree, 4.5 into 10 to the power -2. This is written as 25 into 10 to the power -2. Both get cancels. 4.5 into ऊपर लेके आओ 2, 25, 9 by 25. So I don't want to be use a calculator. Multiply by divide by 4. 36 by 100, 0.36 joule per Tesla. Is it clear? Yes. 10 to the power थोड़ा केयर से सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. We are completely avoiding the what? Calculator because of that reason. Shall I go for next? Yes. Next one. Shall I remove it? Okay. Next, second problem. I go for second problem. Second one. A short bar magnet, I want to remove this completely. A short bar magnet, a short bar magnet of magnetic moment 0.32 joule per Tesla is placed in a uniform magnetic field of 0.15 Tesla. If the bar is free to rotate in the plane of field, which orientation would corresponds to its number 1 stable and number 2 unstable equilibrium. What is the potential energy of magnet in each case. In each case, I want to calculate what? If the bar is free to rotate in the field of the plot, which corresponds to its stable and unstable equilibrium, what is the potential energy of the magnet in each case? I want to calculate the magnetic energy, potential energy of a magnet in terms of what? Stable equilibrium condition and unstable equilibrium condition. So what the theory tells, for stable equilibrium, the magnet should rotate to what? The angle 0 degree. That is along the direction of the magnetic field. For unstable, the magnet should move opposite to the direction of what? Magnetic field, that is 180 degree. If theta equals to 0, this gives what? Stable equilibrium condition. If theta equals to 180 degree gives what? Unstable equilibrium condition. So what is the potential energy? We know that U equals to minus mb cos theta. Right? Then, number 1, for stable equilibrium, theta equals to 0 degree, U equals to minus mb cos 0, that is nothing but minus mb, U equals to minus, what is m? 0.32. What is magnetic field? 0.15. So if I go for that, so shall I make it? U equals to minus 32 into 10 to the power of minus 2, 15 into 10 to the power of minus 2. 15 2s are 33, 15 3s are 45, 45 plus 3, 48. Right, into 10 to the power of minus 4. So what is your answer? U equals to 0.048 joule. This is for what? Stable equilibrium. एक बार चेक कर लो. For unstable equilibrium, I go for second condition. For unstable equilibrium, theta equals 180 degree. Cos 180 is nothing but minus 1. Minus of minus plus 1. Cos 0 is 1. Shall I go for the second condition? For stable equilibrium, second one. Is it clear? First one dekh lo, pura. For second one. For unstable equilibrium, theta equals to 180 degree. So, cos 180 degree. Cos 180 degree is nothing but minus 1. Minus of minus plus. Your answer should be, यहाँ पे पहले क्या था? Negative था. So, first answer is negative था. Right? अब क्या हो गए? Positive. This is positive. First answer is minus of 0.048. Next answer, what is that? Second answer. That is 0.048 positive. For stable equilibrium, what is the value? Minus 0.048 joules. It rotates in clockwise direction. Minus sign indicates what? Positive sign indicates what? The magnet rotates in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise is positive. Because of that reason, 180 degree. For stable equilibrium, your value is same value but with negative sign. Unstable equilibrium, it is positive. Negative, negative becomes positive. Right? Now this is our second problem. Then I come across third one. Shall I go for next problem? Yes. Third problem. Third problem, देख लो. Third problem. A closely wound solenoid of 800 turns and area of cross section 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meters square carries a current of 3 amperes. Explain the sense in which the solenoid acts like a bar magnet. Question mark. What is its associated magnetic moment? This is our problem. First part, it asks that when the current is passed through the solenoid, it acts as a what? Bar magnet. Right? Explain the sense in which the solenoid acts as a bar magnet. Solution. So I want to be merged. One more problem along with this. What is this magnetic moment associated? Then if it is placed at 30 degree with magnetic field 0.25 Tesla, 0.25 Tesla, then what is torque on it? Our aim is to calculate the magnetic moment. If it is placed in the magnetic field of 0.25 Tesla at 30 degree, what is the torque experienced by it? First one, when the current is passed through the solenoid, it acts as a bar magnet. Each turn of the solenoid acts as a tiny magnet. Then the number of turns gives what? Number of tiny magnets with having magnetic dipole moment. So when all the tiny magnets are merged, we get the current carrying solenoid act as a bar magnet. The difference between the bar magnet and current carrying solenoid, in the bar magnet, the magnetic field is maximum at the poles, minimum at the center. But in the case of solenoid, the magnetic field is maximum at the center and minimum at the ends. Hence, current carrying solenoid act as a bar magnet. Then, second one, the magnetic dipole moment M equals to NIA. Magnetic dipole moment equals to I into A for the single loop. For a number of turns, it is NIA. N equals to number of turns, 800. What is the current through it? 3 ampere. What is the area? 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Hence, M equals to, shall I write? So, 8 into 10 to the power of 2 into 3 into, shall I write 25 into 10 to the power of minus 5? Yes. 25 2s are 50, 25 4s are 100, 25 8s are 200. So, shall I write 200 into 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3. It is nothing but 600 into 10 to the power of minus 3, that is 0.6 joule per Tesla. Right? Then after that, what is asking? Torque. Shall I go here? But torque tau equals to mb sin theta. What is m? 0.6. What is b? 0.25. What is sin theta? Sin 30 degrees. So 25 6 that is nothing but, shall I make it 150? Yes. 150. 3 places. 2 plus 1, shall I write 10 to the power of minus 3? Then 1 by 2. Shall I write 75 into 10 to the power of minus 3? Check करो एक बार. Right? Shall I make it? What is the answer? 0.075 Newton meter or joule. The torque tau equals to 0.075 joule or Newton meter. This is my answer. एक बार चेक कर लो पूरे. न्यूटन मीटर भी लिख सकते हैं, जूल नहीं होना है हमको, सो हम न्यूटन मीटर लिखते. लिखो, कौन को बोले न्यूटन मीटर. कहीं तो कैलकुलेटर की ज़रूरत है क्या? देखो नहीं है, हर प्रॉब्लम में वही बोलते रहो तुम्हें, बिकॉज टू डेवलप द कॉन्फिडेंस इन यू सो दैट वी कैन अप्रोच द प्रॉब्लम विदाउट कैलकुलेटर. देख लो पूरे 2 प्रॉब्लम्स मर्ज करे सो इसमें. Shall I go for the next? एक बार पूरा देख लो प्रॉब्लम सही ढंग से. Shall I go for the next one? Yes. निकाल दो इसे. Next, 4th problem. Next one, 4th problem. देखो 4th प्रॉब्लम क्या बोलता हूँ. सिंपल है पूरे प्रॉब्लम्स. सो जो कुछ भी आप थ्योरेटिकल सेक्शन में पढ़े सो बाय यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला डायरेक्टली, बाय सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यूज. लिखने के यहाँ पे गिवन क्यों नहीं लिखा? ऑलरेडी डायरेक्ट फार्मूला ओरिएंटेड है मैक्सिमम पूरे प्रॉब्लम्स. देन देख लो. नेक्स्ट वन, 4th one. A bar magnet of magnetic moment 1.5 joule per Tesla lies aligned with the direction of magnetic field, uniform magnetic field, 0.22 Tesla. First one, what is the amount of work required by an external torque to turn the magnet so as to align its magnetic moment? What is the work done to align the magnet, to turn the magnet so as to align its magnetic moment? What is the amount of work required by external torque to turn the magnet so as to align its magnetic moment? To align its magnetic moment. What is the work done to align the magnet to its magnetic moment normal to the field direction. comma. Number 1, normal to the field direction. Normal to the field direction. Second one, opposite to the field direction. Opposite to the field direction. Opposite to the field direction. What is the torque on the magnet in each case? What is the torque in each case? What is the torque in each case? Right. देखो problem. A bar magnet of magnetic moment 1.5 joule per Tesla lies aligned with the direction of the uniform magnetic field of 0.22 Tesla. Lies along the direction of the uniform magnetic field means theta 1 is 0. Then what is the work done when it is set normal to the field theta 2 equals to 90 degree? Then what is the work done when it is rotated opposite to the direction of the magnetic field, that is 180 degree. सीधा यहीं पे है. Initial condition along the direction of the field. Solution. Our aim is to calculate the work done and torque. Work done is nothing but potential energy minus mb cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1 and torque tau equals to mb sin theta. Right? First, number 1, theta 1 equals to 0, theta 2 equals to 90 degree normal. This theta 2 is nothing but theta. Theta 2 is equals to theta equals to 90 degree normal case. Then I go for work done minus mb cos 90 minus cos 0. So this is nothing but minus mb cos 90 is 0, cos 0 is 1, minus 1 is equals to plus mb. Right? Then what is the values? M 1.5. What is magnetic field? 0.22. I take 15 twos are 33, 15 twos are 30 plus 3, 33, 330. How many places? 3 places. 0.33, that is 0.33 joule. And torque tau equals to mb sin theta. mb sin 90 is equals to mb. Same answer is equals to work done, that is 1.5 into 0.22, simply 0.33 joules. Right? Torque and work done are same. First case. Right? Torque and work done are same. Right? नेक्स्ट कंडीशन देख लो, अपोजिट और डायरेक्शन ऑफ द फील्ड एक बार पूरा देख लो. राइट? आपको इजी हो जाता. Shall I go for second condition? Opposite to the direction of the field. Theta 1 equals to theta 2 equals to theta 180 degree. निकाल दो इसे. Opposite to the field. Second case. Opposite to the field. सही है? Then cos theta to 180 degree. पूरा cos 180 minus 1, right, plus mb. Cos 180 minus 1 इज इट क्लियर? देख लो. सही है? राइट. cos 0 is also -1. इधर एक है ना cos 0 -1 a -1 minus mb into -2 plus 2 mb. Right? Yes. cos 0 -1 cos 180 -1 minus of minus 2 work done equals to 2 m. How much? 1.5 b 0.22 2 0.33 0.66 joule. Is it clear? Then what about this torque? Cos 180 degree, that is sin 180 degree, mb into 0. Now this is your answer. Torque for the second condition is 0. For the first condition work done 0.66, that is the twice the earlier. Right? Second case, what is the torque acting on it? That is 0. देख लो पूरे. सिंपल प्रॉब्लम से कुछ भी नहीं है यहाँ पे. Shall I go for the fifth one? Yes. देख लो. I go for next problem. निकालो इसे. यस. फिफ्थ वन. नेक्स्ट वन, फिफ्थ प्रॉब्लम. So let me come across the fifth problem. देखो. A closely wound solenoid of 2000 tons. A closely wound solenoid. A closely wound solenoid of 2000 tons and area of cross section, area of cross section 1.6 into 10 to the power of -4 meter square, carrying a current of 4 ampere, carrying a current of 4 ampere, is suspended through its center, allowing it to turn in a horizontal plane, in a horizontal plane, full stop. What is the magnetic moment? Number one, what is the magnetic moment associated with solenoid? Associated with solenoid. Second one, what is the force and torque on the solenoid if the magnetic field is 7.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 Tesla. Is set up at an angle of 30 degree with the axis of the solenoid. Now this is our problem. एक बार अच्छी तरह से पढ़ लो. डायरेक्ट फार्मूला है. Magnetic dipole moment of the solenoid. What is the force experienced by it, and what is the torque experienced by the solenoid when it is placed in the magnetic field of making angle 30 degree with the axis of solenoid. एक बार पूरा problem देख लो. पूरा एक बार प्रॉब्लम अच्छी तरह से पढ़ लो. नथिंग शुड बी डायरेक्टली फार्मूला ओरिएंटेड वन. पढ़ लिए. राइट, देख लो एक बार. What is the torque? No, what is the torque? What is the torque, not force? What is the torque on the solenoid? Right? देख लो. अगर फोर्स पूछो तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. फोर्स F इक्वल्स टू mb. यहाँ पे नहीं है, उसके वास्ते खाली टॉर्क पूछो. देखो फर्स्ट वन सॉल्यूशन. We know that magnetic dipole moment M equals to NIA. How many turns? 2000 turns. What is the current through the solenoid? 4. What is the area? Area of cross section 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So this is nothing but 8 into 10 to the power of 3. 16 into 10 to the power of minus 5. 1000 देता है. So what is M? 48, 4, 8 plus 4, 12, 128 into 10 to the power of minus 2, 1.28 joule per Tesla. देख लो. Right? Then what is torque? Torque tau equals to mb sin theta. And torque tau equals to mb sin theta. Already m calculate करो से 1.28. What is the magnetic field? 7.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree. Right? So shall I write here? Torque tau. Is it 1.28 into 7.5 into 1 by 2 sin 30 10 to the power of minus 2. This is nothing but 0.7 0.64. Is it correct? Into 7.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Then we can make it 0.64 into 10 to the power of that is 0.64 into 7.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2. That is nothing but 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 2. 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 2 Newton meter. Check करो एक बार. Is it correct? Now these are the problems. एक बार चेक करके देख लो पूरे. Then I go for next thing. एक बार देख लो पूरा प्रॉब्लम. Without calculator, we go for the solutions. Simply we have to use 10 to the powers and 1 to 10 table. देख लो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज हाउ मच. सेवन पॉइंट फाइव इंटू 10 टू माइनस 2. यहाँ पे चेक कर देख लो. डाउट ही है. शैल आई मेक इट 64 75 75 2 is 150 150 that is 300 30 300 450 450 plus 30 480 480 तीन जगह 480 2 3.48. इसको 0.48 हो जाता. राइट. 480 तीन जगह 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 2. Correct. 75 4 that is nothing but 330. ये क्या होगा 75 450 450 plus 30 480. राइट. तीन जगह छोड़ो 4.8 100% करेक्ट. राइट. करेक्ट. नो नीड ऑफ कैलकुलेटर. नो दीज आर द प्रॉब्लम्स. 5 प्रॉब्लम्स तो हो गए. चेक कर लो एक बार. कैलकुलेटर रहता. I don't want to use the calculator. Because of that reason I go for what? Simple calculation. Right? Now this is our 5th problem. Remaining जो problems है we can continue with what? Next session. देख लो एक बार. Is it clear? Let me go for the next class with remaining 6 problem onwards. Thank you.